Hey, what's up, Bittorrent coin holder? What's going on this time? The BTT condition is very critical now, and I can't expect this from Bittorrent, my friend. It never fails down like that. As you can see, minus 8.54%, the price will fail us down in last 7 days. So definitely, it's going really bad now. Let's check out in last 24 hours. As you can see, my friend, they will also fail us down. I think minus 2.96%, the price will decrease now. But here is the big fail, my friend, as you can see here. So definitely also after a big fail they will take a jump, but don't worry, my friend, every coin will move in this circulation. So I hope they will recover this all loss and they will complete after this short temporary fail. I hope they will also take a very huge jump now in upcoming days. So please holder, first of all you will need to hold out if you are starting holding. So that's 100%, my friend. So in upcoming times still your XLM will give you a very good profit. So my all viewers, my subscriber, please, my personal experience absolutely I just share with you now. So therefore please research personally. I cannot make a any financial video. So hope you understand, but please subscribe this channel if you want to earn money from crypto. Subscribe this channel. Thank you so much, my brothers. 15,000 people are going to subscribe now. So therefore you will also subscribe this channel, please. Alright, so this time as you can see, my friend, the highest price is 0.003713 USD dollar, but the current price, my friend, is 0.0035. So it's a really big difference, my friend, in the price. Definitely it's really badly fails down. So therefore I am 100% sure in upcoming time my friends BTT will wake up and get again profit and they will recover this all loss. But for that you will need to hold out. If you are starting holding, I am 100% sure to BTT price will more and more pumps up. But if you are starting selling, then remember, my brothers, they will never wake up. And when the market cap is decreasing, so definitely everything is going very bad now, and completely I think the BTT will be gone to garbage. So don't, my friends, do any mistake to starting selling. And my friends, please hold out. I hope in upcoming days they will give you a profit. See you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.